seeing here, where it lifts its flipper out of the water, is referred to as pec slapping. So what the whale does, it lifts its pectoral flipper, that really long thing that comes out from the side of its body, up out of the water and will smack the surface. There's its fluke. So that there was another pec slap we just got. There's also a sea lion out there. We can see right past those humpback whales. But the pec slapping is a form of communication. So kind of just to give us kind of a key to understand what's going on. We also have a bald eagle right there. So we have 4 species of major animals, major Alaskan animals, all right here. So basically what we're seeing, the behaviors we've seen so far, we have pec slapping. The whale sticks its pectoral fin up out of the water and smacks the water. That's a way for them to communicate with other animals, specifically other whales. We've seen them dive, so that's when they arch their back, just as we're seeing here, and they lift their fluke up out of the water. The fluke is their tail, so just saw 2. That's actually a mom and calf combo. So there are probably 4 whales right here. So we have the 4 whales just went down for a dive, and that's where they lift their fluke up out of the water. We also have that stellar sea lion bouncing around. Now when they go down for a dive, they're typically going down to eat. So they're going to go feed on some krill, plankton, or small schooling fish like herring. And the sea lion likes, and the bald eagle like to be with them because it's a way for them to feed as well. They're all feeding on the same small fish. And we would actually refer to the sea lions as scavengers. What they do is they'll kind of sneak behind and along the whales to try to get at their leftovers.
Probably just ate
The
it.
pectoral flipper on a humpback whale is really unique. It's the longest of any whale in the world. It'll be about 13 to 16 feet long. And then the fluke will be anywhere between 13 and 18 feet wide on full-grown adults. So we can use our windows on the side of our boat as a form of measurement. So each window is about 3 feet wide. You can think typically 4 to 5 or 4 to 6 windows. As full-grown adults, they'll 40 to 50 feet long, which is about the same size as a coach bus, and they'll weigh 60,000 to 90,000 pounds, which is 7 times the size of an adult African elephant.